In this video, I am going to talk about very important concept in Python programming language. Well, you may use it a lot and you may use it very less, not that much more. But it is very important to know this concept, which is called docstrings. What does it mean? Let's have a function, a very simple function. Means I have a here and well, let's print a and let's have the task and something like, well, 1. Very simple and not a very meaningful function, but very simple function. Well, I have this one as printed on the console. But what does it mean when we have this docstring? Now, for example, you have something here as 3 dots. 3 dots we have talked about a string. When we have a string, so here we just want to have this and function, well, we use it as a docstrings. Well, for example, I have info. Let's have it very formal. Info, this is a simple function. Well, it's very simple. Now let's print this. Well, nothing printed, but let's have it here like test. Can you see that? Well, you just see here def text test a, well, anything here, info. This is a simple function. Well, it's very helpful when you want to write something like, well, a library or a function to create or something like a framework. And these things will be very important. Whenever you just access that, you can see that very easily. Now let's have this as like this, and still it shows something like info. This is a simple function. Well, this is called docstring because sometimes you may have it in your functions, like you just want to guide the one who just want to access that. And well, let's have another method as well, just like this test, and I want to run this. The argument missing one. Well, this is not, I just want to remove this and I want to run this. Well, yeah, info, this is a very simple function. Well, yeah, it's not very means like it's not very useful sometimes, but majority of the times is useful. We use this, we just want to have this in our programming, in our like anything we just write. So it is very simple, but you have to learn the concept of this like docstring, and function is very important. And yeah, sometimes we just use this very repeatedly. So this is the end of the video. In the next video we'll talk about a very important concept as well in Python, and specifically in functions.